This video takes us on a journey to the Aurignacian period, a crucial time in the history of humanity. Imagine life between 43,000 and 26,000 years ago, when northern humanity was just beginning to blossom. A time when Europe was a vast, untamed wilderness, yet a crucible of innovation and creativity. This is the story of the Aurignacian culture, a revolutionary period that laid the foundation for the rich tapestry of European civilization. The extent of the culture reached from the Iberian Peninsula to the Russian plains, even reaching the misty Isles of Britain, long before modern-day cavemen decided Brexit was a good idea. The Aurignacian people were innovators. They were the first to craft intricate tools from bone and antler, tools that allowed them to hunt with precision and efficiency. They were the first to master the art of blade production, creating versatile tools for a variety of tasks. But perhaps the most significant legacy of the Aurignacian people is their art. They were some of the first to create artifacts imbued with meaning, painting the walls of caves with stunning depictions of animals and human figures. These paintings were not mere decorations. They were expressions of spiritual beliefs, social identity, and a deep connection to the natural world. Aurignacian society was complex, with intricate social structures and cooperative behaviors. They lived in small groups, sharing resources and knowledge. This social cohesion was essential for their survival in a harsh environment. The Aurignacian culture was not confined to a single region. It was a pan-European phenomenon. People moved across the continent, carrying their tools, techniques, and artistic traditions with them. This cultural exchange fostered innovation and creativity, shaping the future of European civilization. The Aurignacian people were the pioneers of European culture. Their innovations in toolmaking, art, and social organization laid the foundation for the rich and diverse cultural heritage of Europe. By studying their past, we can better understand ourselves and our place in the world. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to help me create more videos examining the origins of your species.